special unboxing for Scratcher Heaven today. Looks like I got one of their California Lottery prize packs. Very cool. Wasn't expecting it. It was just at the door. So let's just see what they sent. It's pretty fun. You know, I've seen a few other YouTube channels open these. Miss Player, I think Kef even got one. But let's see what we get. It says, congratulations, Captain. As one of the first 1,000 eligible Jackpot Captains to qualify for our Jackpot Captain Spotlight Promotion, we're excited to give you a Jackpot Captain Tool Kit. We hope the goodies in this kit will help you stay organized, coach triumphantly, and lead your team to victory. I like the sound of that. Within your toolkit, you'll find the following items: baseball hat, stainless steel tumbler, Jackpot whiteboard, California Lottery Live sunglasses, cell phone holders, Mega Millions pen, tote bag, play slip holder, stress ball, keychain, earbuds, money clip. We hope you find these tools helpful to lead your team to success. Stay tuned for more promotions exclusive to our Jackpot Captains. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. As always, we thank you for being a loyal California Lottery player and Jackpot Captain, your friends at the California Lottery. So cool. Let's check it out. Awesome. California Lottery baseball hat, Velcro, no snapback, stainless steel tumbler. Very cool. I love my coffee. Love my coffee. That is awesome. Jackpot whiteboard. Let's see where that's at. Oh wow, it is a big magnet, and you can update the amounts, stick it on the fridge or whatnot. That is super cool. I'm gonna need a dry erase marker now. California Lottery Live sunglasses. Those are fun. Let's see, headphones, keychain earbuds, got a play slip holder, like that, keep some tickets in there or something. And let's see, stick this to your smartphone. You can stick in your credit cards or stash other stuff. I like that, it's cool. Stress ball. You can never have enough stress balls. Money clip. That is cool. I like that money clip. Oh, comes with a marker. I don't need a marker. Pen. We'll just have to see how it writes, but Mega Millions branded. And last but not least, tote bag. I always forget these in the car before I go into the store, so just want to give a big shout out to the California Lottery for sending this prize pack. It was cool that, you know, hopefully one of the premier channels on YouTube got to score one of these. And, you know, maybe I'll group some of these up and give some of the stuff away that I don't see myself using. So if you guys are interested in that, click the thumbs up button, and if I get a few hundred likes, then I'll give some of this stuff away. Cool. This is Scratcher Heaven. See you on the next one.